Welcome to today's recipe tutorials. Hello beautiful people, the food hub here. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make delicious homemade fish rolls that is crispy on the outside, flavorful and juicy on the inside. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine your flour, sugar, nutmeg, pinch of salt, baking powder and give that a good stir. Add your egg. Add your margarine and mix until the texture is crumbly. Gradually add water and knead into a smooth firm dough. Do well to check the description box for the list of ingredients and measurements. After you must have gotten a smooth dough, you are to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. In a pan, preheat a little oil on medium heat. Add your blended onions and pepper and saute until translucent. Next, add your carrots. This is optional, but I love carrots in my fish roll rice. So stir this for 30 seconds. Now add your cooked and flaked fish. Mackerel or sardine works great. I seasoned with salt, curry powder, and little thyme. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. I used little flour mixture to thicken my sauce. Roll your dough just as seen in this video. Enjoy the process. Now cut into tiny pieces. Flour your work surface and take one and roll out. Please follow the process. Brush the top with a flour mixture. Scoop a bit of filling into the center and fold. Repeat same process for the rest. Heat up some cooking oil over medium heat and fry the fish rolls in batches until golden brown. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, crispy golden fish rolls that are perfect as a snack or appetizer. Serve warm and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!